Well, this video I wasn't actually planning on doing. I decided to go through a touch-free car wash. The car wash laser measurement arm actually ran into my side mirror and it left me some good nice little scratches right here on the side. So I went and picked up the Scratch Eraser kit by Meguiars and we're gonna see if it fixes this little problem. This is what comes in the kit: Scratch 2.0, an applicator pad, and a microfiber towel. I'm gonna put a dab right here in the center and I'm gonna start applying it to the mirror. Let's see how magical this stuff is. Well, that actually ended up working pretty well. It was a little cloudy, so I went and grabbed a wet paper towel and kind of wiped off the excess. And now it actually blends pretty well. My wife actually has some scratches right here where her door handle is. I'm actually gonna apply this and we're gonna see if it gets rid of those. Guys, this stuff actually works really well. I'm gonna have to go around my whole truck and my wife's car and get rid of all the scratches. I'm actually really impressed. Well, I've went around the whole truck and found a couple of scratches here and there and some scuffs. This does work well on the light scratches, but as far as deep scuffs, it does not work well. So if you've only got minor light scratches, I do recommend this. Well, I hope this helped a little bit deciding on whether to get this kit or not for your light scratches. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and do so. Until next time, see y'all.